I don't think it's gonna be dramatic, actually.
Stick it in there and just poke.
You got it? Ready?
Yeah, really take a swing.
1, 2, 3.
A
Oh,
lot of damage.
not a lot of damage.
Farther left. Really hit it like it's your job. If you really want to do some damage. Are you tired now?
It's cracking over here.
Are you exhausted?
Shut up.
So low.
Well, you don't want that? No?
It's just gonna go. I'm saying you want to get high and knock the whole base. Really doing great. It's heavy, isn't it? Okay, we need a break. we need a big break.
Hey, check it out, Shane. You want to call ourselves idiots right now?
What?
Just look at it. Hey, here. We could just take this part off. No. I think we should, actually.
What are you talking about? No.
Just this.